Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer crypto using 1inch across networks, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring crypto using 1inch across networks, first, open your web browser and go to the official 1inch website. Ensure you are connected to a supported wallet, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Select the swap option on the home page of 1inch. Now, choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer from the drop-down menu. Next, select the amount you wish to transfer. Following that, choose the network from which you want to send the cryptocurrency. In the next field, select the network you want to send the cryptocurrency to. 1inch will automatically calculate the best rates and show you the details of the transaction. Review the slippage tolerance and adjust it if necessary for your transaction comfort. After confirming all details are correct, click on the Swap or Transfer button to initiate the process. You may need to confirm the transaction in your wallet, so proceed to your wallet application. Once confirmed, the transaction will be processed on the blockchain. Keep an eye on the transaction status. This can usually be tracked through your wallet or a blockchain explorer. Once the transaction is complete, you should see your transferred funds appear in your destination wallet on the selected network. Verify the amount and ensure everything has transferred correctly. If you encounter any issues, consult the 1inch support resources for assistance. Congratulations on successfully transferring crypto across networks using 1inch. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.